Hey there! Are you hunting for a reliable, affordable web hosting provider that's perfect for beginners, but still packs a punch for pros? Well, you're in for a treat because today we're taking a fun and trusted look at Hostinger, a hosting solution that gives you big features without the big price tag. Seriously, why spend more when you can keep your wallet happy and get the same hosting goodness? Next up, let's talk about ease of use. Hostinger's custom-built H-panel is sleek, super easy to navigate, and designed to make your life simple. Whether you're setting up your very first site or managing multiple projects, it's all at your fingertips. Now, if you're someone who doesn't have time to tinker around, you'll love Hostinger's AI website builder. Just type in what you want and boom, it creates a custom website for you. No coding, no hassle. And if you need help filling your site with content, the AI content creation tool can whip up SEO-friendly posts in no time. How cool is that? Hostinger's easy website migration makes it as simple as one click. Plus, managing multiple sites is a breeze with their easy website manager. Everything in one place, perfectly organized. Let's talk about what really matters. Hostinger absolutely nailed all our tests. It's fast, reliable, and handles even high traffic like a pro. You can count on uptime close to 99.99%, which means your site is always available for your visitors and load times lightning quick. Of course, security is crucial for any website. Hostinger takes care of all the essentials, from SSL certificates to DDoS protection and regular backups. While they don't go into a lot of detail about their security measures, they've got everything in place to keep your site safe and sound. Think of it like a digital bodyguard, quiet, efficient, and always keeping an eye on things. Now, on to customer support. Hostinger's agents are known for being some of the friendliest around, and they're available 24/7 via live chat or email. Most of my queries were answered quickly with helpful advice and a smile. So, what's the verdict on Hostinger? With its unbeatable pricing, ease of use, solid performance, and helpful features like the AI website builder and easy migration, Hostinger is a fantastic choice, especially for beginners or anyone looking for a budget-friendly solution. Hostinger is affordable, reliable, and packed with awesome tools to get your site online in no time. Ready to get started? Head over to Coupun Discont today and see if it's the perfect fit for your website dreams. And hey, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.